Types of chemical reactions.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Oxidation reaction. Gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen is oxidation reaction. For example, copper. Heat a china dish containing 1 gram copper powder. Notice that surface of copper powder becomes coated with black copper oxide. This is because oxygen is added to copper and copper oxide is formed.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
2Cu plus O2 in presence of heat gives 2CuO. Reduction reaction. Gain of hydrogen or loss of oxygen is reduction reaction. For example, copper oxide. If hydrogen gas is passed over this heated CuO, black coating turns brown as reverse reaction takes place and copper is obtained. Reaction representation. CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. In this, reduction reaction is taking place in copper and oxidation reaction is taking place in hydrogen. Redox reaction. Reaction in which one reactant gets oxidized while other gets reduced during a reaction are called as oxidation reduction or redox reactions. For example, zinc oxide. ZnO plus C gives Zn plus CO. In this reaction, carbon is oxidized to CO and ZnO is reduced to Zn.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
For example, manganese oxide MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. In this reaction, HCl is oxidized to Cl2, whereas MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2. Effects of oxidation reaction. In everyday life, first, corrosion. When a metal is attacked by moisture, acids, etc., it is said to be corrode and process is corrosion.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Example, rusting of iron, black coating on silver. Corrosion damages car bodies, bridges, iron railings, ships, metal materials, specially made of iron. Second, rancidity. When fats and oils are oxidized, they become rancid and their smell and taste change. Process is known as rancidity. Antioxidants are added to foods containing fats and oil to prevent oxidation.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.